Thank you for coming to KSHB.com and checking out the weather blog. Well, we couldn't buy a drop of rain about 10 days ago, and now all of a sudden we've been getting rain almost every day, and now we're in a flood watch. Not a flash flood watch, but a flood watch means with the recent rains, the rivers and streams could rise and in some low-lying areas. So keep an eye on that. What we will not have to deal with, though, is severe weather. The severe thunderstorm watch is across northeast Oklahoma, southwest Missouri. Luckily, not a tornado watch. I just don't think the moisture in the atmosphere down there, the dew points are high enough for that. But severe thunderstorm watch means thunderstorms can and do produce tornadoes. So we got to watch for that. But that is staying to the south where the warmer air is. This is quite a storm spinning right now through the Texas Panhandle with snow in eastern Colorado. There's winter advisories out there. Some more great rain in southwest Kansas. We had a little band of rain go through earlier in the day. And now the thunderstorms, you can see lightning showing up there south of Wichita. This is going to grow and increase and head our way. So as of the 3 o'clock in the afternoon, the steady light to moderate rain was mainly north of I-70, and it was dry south of I-70. But look at that there, near Wichita to Independence, Kansas, some pretty good thunderstorms, and they are going to increase and approach. But 8 p.m. to 2 a.m. is our best chance for some heavy thunderstorms and wind. Not wind with the thunderstorms, just winds from the storm. And also, some of the thunderstorms could produce some small hail. Look at this setup. Strong surface low there west of Ardmore, Oklahoma, where it's 82 degrees, 72 in Tulsa, but 45 in Gage, Oklahoma. It is quite a setup. We are in the low 50s. We're staying out of the warm air, so we will not have to deal with the severe weather, but we're going to get some rain, wind, and cold. Unbelievable here as we're in the low 50s. It's warmer up to the north where there's been more sunshine. Look at that, 37 in Pueblo, Colorado. So what is going to happen with this storm? Well, right about 9 o'clock at night, we're going to be into these heavier rain and thunderstorms, and they'll be with us through the night. But we might get a little break in the rain or a lightening of the rain until morning. My goodness, look at 6 a.m., that strong surface low north of Springfield, wind and rain, and temperatures in the 30s and 40s for that morning rush hour. And then as we go towards 11 a.m., we're still in the rain, and also there may be a mixed snowflake or two. It just depends how far down into the 30s it goes. But 30s and 40s, wind and rain. But the storm is moving quickly. And during the day, it moves off, and the sun may come out by 4 or 5 in the afternoon. We should recover to around 50 degrees. Severe weather likely tomorrow in the southeast United States. I'm sure we'll be hearing a lot about that, unfortunately. That is where it is going to be as this storm moves off. And now, after the storm moves off, the weather pattern begins to calm down, and the drier part of the pattern comes in. Not that we won't have storm systems and rain, but these big widespread rains, well, it's going to be a while before this part of the pattern returns. So let's get the rain that we can get right now before things start to dry out. And it's going to be pretty good. We're looking at a 1 to 2 inch event. The track of the heaviest thunderstorms this evening will really be the key on who gets the most rain. Because I would say 70% of the storm's rainfall is going to come with those thunderstorms. And then the calm ahead tomorrow coming down pretty good, but it won't be thunderstorm weather. So a good 1 to 2 inches, give or take a quarter inch or so there as this storm goes by. So the forecast here this evening, now to 8 p.m., rain showers around 50 degrees, and then 8 p.m. to 2 a.m., heavy rain and thunderstorms becoming windy, temperatures in the 40s, and then from 2 a.m. to 7 a.m., periods of rain, drizzle, windy, temperatures in the 40s. And then as we go towards tomorrow, it may briefly drop into the upper 30s around 9 a.m. Look at those winds gusting close to 40 miles per hour. And then by noon, still rainy and windy, and then things improve quickly. 3 p.m., 49, 6 p.m., 53, and by 10 p.m., the winds are down to 6 miles per hour. So things really improve. And on the 7-day, we might have a light freeze on Friday morning. We're still going 33, but more sunshine Thursday and Friday. The weekend jumps to the 70s. Opening day, home opener for the Royals. Still looks great. 71 and sunny and not much wind. And as you notice, there's no more rain in the forecast. Well, I take that back. There's a chance of a few thunderstorms Sunday night. That does not look like a big storm at this time. Have a great Tuesday night and rest of your week.